Welcome back. Margao town was cordoned off on Friday. One petrol pump received a call from an unknown person claiming that a bomb is placed at a petrol pump. Bomb disposal squad was roped in to tackle the situation, but it turned out to be a hoax call.
People were panicked after sudden traffic diversion at Margao Circle. Margao Town Circle was cordoned off by Goa Police. Kurade petrol pump in Margao received a call claiming a bomb placed at the petrol pump. Bomb disposal squad was roped in along with a sniffer dog, but no bomb was recovered. It was just a hoax call by an unknown person.
इन्फॉर्मेशन कंट्रोल मडगाव कंट्रोलांच्या रेल्वे तिथून आम्ही अंगियम कुराडे पेट्रोल पंप चेक करतो 4 नंबर चेक केले आणि 3 उरला ते चेक करपावच जाण पोलीस वगैरे आम्ही चेक केलं तर किती ना ना ते काय ना अजून काय ना.
There was a traffic jam in Margao for almost 1.5 hours. It's festival time in Goa. Dindi festival will be held in Margao in November. Ahead of festival period, the authorities will be alert here on. Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Some valid organizations of Goa are catering to the special children, bestowing happiness upon them. Anam Prem has planned for a 3-day program for blind children, while Lok Vishwas Pratishthan will be organizing dance classes for mentally challenged children.
Anam Prem has planned a 3-day event for blind children from 26 to 29th October. A team of 100 blind children and teachers will be down in Goa for the program. Various events like boat rides, open discussion and competitions will be held.
Let us not forget that even blind people can see their dreams. They too can dream that they want to play, they want to dance, they want to sing, they want to enjoy the breeze, they want to go on a boat ride, they want to ride on the waves, they want to enter your heart, they want to feel the breeze, they want to smell the fragrance of Goa. I mean, if they can just त्यांना जर त्यांच्या स्वप्नांना आपलं बोट धरता आलं तर आपण त्या स्वप्नांचं बोट धरून त्यांना कुठेतरी एक सत्याच्या दिशेने नेऊ शकू म्हणून आपण हा कार्यक्रम केलाय.
Lok Vishwas Pratishthan has organized dance classes for mentally challenged children. The classes will commence after Diwali festival in Margao. Instructor Sachita Almeida will guide the students to the tune of music. The aim of the project is to teach the students dance as the way to cheer life. Sense International, a NGO, had organized a state advocacy meeting on Friday in Panji. The project aimed at expanding services for children, youth and adult with combination of visual and hearing impairment and multisensory impairment. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The Goa Police Department has planned a massive security exercise for the Lusofonia Games to be held in January. At least 2,000 dedicated police personnel will be on duty at the venues itself, while paramilitary force has also been requisitioned. Deputy Inspector General of Goa Police O.P. Mishra also revealed that Maharashtra and Karnataka will assist the state police with the technical aspects. Meanwhile, the fans will be allowed to carry flags inside the stadium.
On Friday, the Lusofonia Games organizing committee briefed the media about the security functional area. DIG OP Mishra revealed the details of the security plan.
We have designated individual officers of the rank of Superintendent of Police who are venue commanders for each venue. We also have a separate transportation security plan. Transportation security plan essentially refers to it will depend upon the actual threat assessments which we'll be getting regarding the players. Anti-sabotage check is a very important pillar of security. What do we mean by anti-sabotage check? That we are going to carry out the checking of the entire stretch of a route. We have also requisitioned force, central armed paramilitary forces. We have already written to Home Ministry, and we are likely to get at least 10-15 companies of force. We are in touch with our neighboring states also, Karnataka and Maharashtra. We are likely to get some kind of assistance in the form of technical teams. If you are counting the entire arrangements, I mean Lusofonia Games venue-wise, we are approximately going to have at least 2,000 people. But that is only the venue deployment. But as a part of the involvement in the games, in fact, the entire police station and other things, they'll also be involved, except those who are not going to be on some kind of an essential duties and all. Everybody who is a part of a police force is going to be participating. No, it is paramilitary forces. Yes, it's a Goa police component.
Meanwhile, Lusofonia Games CEO Keshav Chandra clarified that flags will be allowed inside the stadium, but not the flag poles.
Flags, it is basically flag poles, which would not be allowed inside the venue. Flag as such would definitely be allowed.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Bambole.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.